Hi, my name is Jay Corbett, and I want to thank you for taking 5 minutes out of your day to watch this. You're going to be really glad you did. I'm a mobile and social media specialist. I help realtors and agents just like you to improve the existence of their current print media advertising through the use of social and mobile media. I build Facebook pages, YouTube channels, Google Places pages, mobile websites, Twitter. I do all that stuff. And with that said, this is going to be about none of that. Let me ask you something. This is an ad I scanned in of yours from one of the home magazines there at Safeway. What if when somebody picked this up, let's say they were interested in this home right here and there's the MLS number. What if somebody, when they were picked that up and they were interested in this home, you knew about it? And not only did you know about it, but you knew their phone number that instant, so you could call them and say, hey, I noticed you're looking at the home. If you're interested, I'd love to show it to you. I'm in the area today. Why don't we meet out there? Blah, blah, blah. Obviously, you understand how powerful that would be. Well, that's exactly the system I have put together. It's probably going to be the cheapest form of advertising you've done because we integrate with your existing ad, and I can guarantee it will be the most effective lead generation system and customer acquisition you have ever used. So let me walk you through it a little bit here. I've taken the liberty of modifying your ad just a little bit. Let me see if I can switch over to it. Okay, so let me walk you through it. I've taken the liberty of modifying your ad just a little bit. I added this section in right here in the middle. Text the MLS number of any unit to 925-667-1330 to take an instant virtual walkthrough right on your mobile device. Now obviously this graphic can change. I just kind of modified the ad space here a little bit to put this ad in there, obviously. But okay, now before I get into the system itself and how it works, I want to talk real quick about the instant virtual walkthrough right on your mobile device. I use this instant virtual walkthrough right on your mobile device. I do that because when people hear instant and they know you're talking about text messaging and mobile devices, they automatically assume they're going to get an automated reply. And because of that, they're very apt to complete the action because they don't think they're going to have to talk to a agent or a realtor just to find out some more information about the house. And in fact, that's correct. What makes my system so different and so powerful is, first of all, I've integrated with your existing ad, and you were using the MLS numbers, and so that turns every inch of print advertising out there into a high gravity customer interactive ad space, okay? And you don't have to do anything except to add the new tagline in there that I just read to you and showed you here. It's someplace in the ad, and it's that simple. It puts your, turns your ad into this killer lead generation system, and that's kind of how it works in a nutshell, but a little bit deeper. So let's say somebody is looking at this ad and they text in, to our phone number here that they're interested in this house up here. They text in the MLS number. Whoops. Right here, boom, they text that into us, right? Well, what happens is if there's pictures of this house on your website or a flash video or whatever, or I can make one on YouTube, which is really cool, and it's a lot more effective for mobile devices, but regardless, we'll send them to either your web page or some other, that walkthrough would be a good thing to send them to. So that happens. They also get added to a text marketing database that we set up for you. Now that's pretty cool because what happens there is now we have their phone number and we can send them financing deals or homes that are similar to that whenever we want and how often we want, which is really cool. And obviously you can see how powerful that is. And I know you understand the power of mobile because you have a QR code right here. So obviously mobile is kind of the next big thing, and most people when they're looking for houses aren't gonna go home and wait till they get in front of their computer. They're gonna look online, and they're gonna look on your website, You know, they're going to do all these other things. They probably will call you. All I can say is you obviously text messaging has a global open rate of 98%. It's several hundred times more effective than email or voice marketing, and it's extremely powerful. And just to be honest, it's dirt cheap right now, and it's the cheapest it's ever going to be. And we take advantage of your current advertising. So anyways, to get back on track here, they text this in. So now we got them. We sent them to our web page. We got their phone number for our text marketing database, and this is the coolest part of all, and the most important part, that within 30 seconds of them texting in about this home right here, you or somebody else, I know that's a terrible arrow, you or somebody else will get a text message saying, you know, so somebody at this phone number just texted in about this home. Call them right now. And you can call them up and say, hey, I just got a text. I noticed you're interested in this home. You know, why don't I show it to you? I'm in the area, or whatever. But you obviously understand how powerful that is. It's just so powerful. And then, so we got them on we got them on the website. We got their on their email list, or the text marketing list, and now we got their contacted them back right away on the cell phone. So it's just a killer system. I'm only going to be working with one realtor and agent per area. You guys are the first people I've contacted in your area. I'd love to hear back from you. You guys are, like I said, my first contact. I'm confident I'll sell this system. It's extremely affordable. It's dirt cheap. My name is Jay Corbett. I can be reached at area code 925-667-1330, and I'd like to talk to you more about this. I can only offer this powerful customer acquisition system, like I said, until somebody takes it up, and I'm only going to work with one agent and realtor per area. So please call me, 925-667-1330. Hope to hear from you. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.